Hey guys! So today I'm working with the Jeweled Chameleon colors one more time. For this colorful reptile pour, we're going to be using a gold base for our background. We've seen these colors on a white base with black and gold cell activators. For this pour, I'm going to be using a clear cell activator. I introduced the idea of clear cell activator a few videos ago, and I must say, I am loving the results. I'm using Valspar Architectural Effects Brilliant Metals Gold Base for my background color. I'm pretty sure that this paint is actually tintable, but I picked it up on the clearance rack, so I just use it straight from the can. I won't lie, this paint is pretty pricey if it isn't on sale. The last time I looked at getting a new can of it, the price was around $56 for the gallon. About twice the price of the white base paint that I use. So, if you get some, you may want to save it for special projects. It really does give some spectacular results though. It interacts really well with the other colors, and I usually get some pretty 3D looking lacing effects with it. When I mixed up the cell activators to get started with this series, I mixed a titanium white, Mars black, and gold. I had just enough left over that I decided to test out an idea I had for clear cell activator. Instead of adding a paint color into my mix, I added clear gel medium. I just wanted to see what lacing that dried clear would look like. I haven't put it through enough testing yet, but it seems pretty awesome so far. It appears to take whatever color is on top of the swipe at any given point and uses it to create the lacing. So you get a lot of different colors of cell patterns throughout. Typically, whatever color your cell activator is what the color of lacing throughout the colors will be. With this, it seems to change throughout the entire swipe. I have some close-ups at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around to let me know what you think of the clear cell activator below. I didn't have a ton of information to add for you guys on this pour. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what I'm working with today. If you're just joining into the series and want to check out the last couple of videos, I'll leave a link in the description. I'm moving on to the Mount Henang Dwarf Chameleon in the next video. This one is a bit more on the pastel side of things, so it's a pretty big jump in palettes. Guys, I haven't had anyone complain about it, but I know that my end shots can be a bit on the erratic side. I'm trying, but my hands are pretty shaky and they just don't want to cooperate most days. I'm in the process of trying to get a gimbal of some sorts to help keep shots a bit more steady. So I hope you guys can have a bit of patience with me until I get one. Hopefully once I have that, I'll be able to get some smooth shots that you'll be able to see all the lovely details with. That's going to be it for me. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the pour. Is clear cell activator something that you would like to experiment with? Let me know what you guys would test it out on in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Bye!